Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to clean cache memory on your PC and make it fast again. When we use a computer for a long time, it often becomes slow and laggy. So don't worry, in this video I will show you an easy and effective way to fix that problem. So let's get started. Step 1. First right click your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now click on the Performance tab, then select Memory. Here you can see how much cache memory your PC is using. Step 2. Next you need to download a software called RAM. This is lightweight and secure tool developed by Microsoft. You can download it from the Microsoft official website. After downloading, extract the file. Now open the RAM folder and run the application as an administrator. Now the software is open. Watch carefully to see how much RAM cache is currently being used. Click on Empty menu, then select Empty Standby List. You will immediately notice the difference. That's it. So this is how can cache clear memory and make your PC run faster and smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and stay comment for more useful tips.